Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Benin trap beat. That's the beat I'm going to be making today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified immediately. So, when you launch your FL Studio before you start making your beat, put your cursor like this on your FL Studio app. Right, click like this, then click open. But for me, I have already launched my FL Studio, so I'll just enter like this, enter my FL Studio. This Benin trap beat. This is my channel rack. This is my playlist. This is my mixer. Now, when working on my channel rack here, I'll just put it to pattern mode, not song mode, pattern. This is my cursor on my screen. I'll switch it here. When you transfer your beat to your playlist here, make sure you turn it to song mode like this. But now we are on our pattern mode here, so we are going to turn it to pattern mode here. This is my cursor on my screen, pattern mode, so that they are going to hear every instrument we are programming here. So I will then click on add on my screen, then click on hammer. After that, I'll put my cursor like this. As my arrow is showing up and down, I'll just left click and hold the left click button, scroll the mouse wheels, channel 6. After that, I'll click on this blocking options, click on preset, then click on, I'm going to pick a nice piano modulation links. So let's play this one and see if it sounds very good. No, this one doesn't sound very good, so I'm going to pick another one again. Key beat. I'm going to change it. I'm going to pick another one again. Hard lit. It doesn't sound very good again. Make sure you pick the right piano that sounds very good. I'm going to use this one for my Benin trap beat. Now let's start programming our beat. I'll put my cursor on channel 6, right click on my piano roll, just click on piano roll. I'll post program the first 2 bars. As you can see, I have programmed the first to 4 bars pattern. So I'm going to click on select here. Make sure you use these tools over here. Always try to use these tools. I'll click on select, put my cursor at the starting of 5, left click and hold it, drag my mouse to the left. This is the best way to highlight before you press Ctrl and B. But the best, another way, you can still press Ctrl and A to highlight it like this, then press again Ctrl and B to extend your beat right up to bars number 8. Now that's okay. Let's pick another melody again to make it a 2 melody loop. So I'm going to click on add, then click on my FL keys. Now put my cursor like this on top of my empty space as it's looking, as it's showing the up and down arrow. I'll just left click and hold it, scroll the mouse wheel to channel 7. Put my cursor on FL keys, right click, then click piano roll. After programming the second melody from 1 to 4 bars, I'm going to click on select here, put my cursor at the starting of 5 left, click and hold it, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B to extend it up to bars number 8. That's okay. Now let's start programming our hi-hats now. I'm going to put my cursor on channel 3, right click on my piano, on my mouse, right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. From 1 to 4, I'll program my cursor from 1 to 4. That's it. Now after that, I'll click on select, put my cursor at the start of 5 left, click and hold it, highlight to the left. You can still press Ctrl and A, then press Ctrl and B to extend it. Now let's go to our snare. This is our snare on channel 4. I will right click on my mouse, then click piano roll, click on draw. I'll start to program 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's okay. Now let's go to our kick. I'm going to left click and hold it, drag it to channel 1, right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. After that, I'll click on channel 1, click on this effect target, then turn the boost knob right up. Then let's go to our mixer. This is our mixer 6 and 7. I'll bring down the 6, bring down the 7 a little bit, turn up the 1, which is my kick, turn up the hi-hat, which is 3, turn up the snare. Let's start mixing our melodies now. 6, I'll click on slot 1, add a fruity compressor, a fruity multiband compressor. I'll click on slot 2, add a fruity soft clipper. I'll click on slot 3, add a fruity limiter. I'll click on slot 4, add a fruity parametric EQ2. After that, on 7, I'll click on slot 1, add a sound goodenizer. I'll click on slot 2 and add a fruity soft clipper. I'll click on slot 3 and add a fruity parametric EQ2. I'll click on slot 4 and add a frequency splitter. That's okay. That's okay. Now on channel 3, I'll click on slot 1 and add a sound goodenizer. On 4, which is our snare, I'll click on slot 1, then add a fruity parametric EQ2. Now make sure when working on FSU, make sure you use these tools up here: the view playlist, the view piano roll, the view channel rack, view mixer. Now we are going to click on view playlist to open our playlist. Where I've written part 1 on the screen like this, just put your cursor on top of the part 1, right click on your mouse, just come down here and click split by channel. Just click, then check here at the top left corner on your FS0. You can see the kick, the hi-hat, the snare, the sun rays, the first melody, and the FA keys. Now click on this draw here, then click on your kick, click on your playlist, click on your hi-hat, click on your playlist, click on your snare, click on your playlist, click on your first melody, click on your playlist, click on your last melody, then click on your playlist. After that, click on select, put your cursor like this, left click and hold it, highlight it to your left, then press Ctrl and B several times, many times. That is to extend your beat, to make it longer, but you can still make it however you want, because there is no specific way to make beats that can be longer. So I'll just press my Ctrl and B 4 times. Now And then when the view is like this, you can put your cursor like this as it's showing the left and right. Left click and hold the left click button, drag it to the right to see the clear view of what you are working on. Then put your cursor like this on top of the kick, right click to remove the kick, right click to remove the hi-hat, right click to remove the snare, then click on select. Put your cursor like this, left click and hold it, drag your mouse to the left, then press Ctrl and B. But you can still press Ctrl and A to highlight it, then press Ctrl and B to copy it the way I said. Since the view is like this, put your cursor like this, left click and hold it, then just drag this one like this, then put your cursor as it's showing left and right, left click and hold it, drag it to the right to see the clear view. Now I'll click on this draw again, put my cursor, right click to remove the hi-hat, right click to remove the snare. I'll click on my sun rays, then extend it to my outro. This is my outro. Now I'll click on these FA keys, then click here to my outro. Now these are my mixer here, 3 and 4. I'll put my cursor here, I will right click, then click create automation clip. On channel 4, I will right click, then click create automation clip. I'll click now view playlist. I'll put my cursor on top of the FA keys, left click hold it, just scroll it a little bit. You put it on top of the pattern, left click hold it, scroll it. Then I'll click on this hi-hat, then click here, then put my cursor as shown left and right, or left click hold it, drag it to reduce it. Add a small hi-hat here at the starting point of my outro. I'll add an hi-hat here. We have finished making a Benin trap beat. Let's listen from the start to the end and see you tomorrow in another video on how to make trap beat. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make Benin trap beat. It's a country. Benin is a country in Africa. I know you can hear the name Benin everywhere. Benin the way you think, but Benin is a country. This is the country trap beat. So see you tomorrow in another video. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.